Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kristianne from Kristianne's Crafty Adventure. I just want to share with you guys my process. I'm doing a tag flip swap with a friend of mine from Australia, and this is my very first time to do a swap ever. So the plan was to do a swap with a Doodlebug spring collection and a tag swap. So I've been looking at tag swaps, and it looks like tags and they put it on the ring, but what I wanted to do was I wanted to put my home DIY homemade embellishments in there. So what I did was I used this plastic thing that I got from Joann's from my last haul, and then what I did was I just removed the removable adhesive on there and then just cut it. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a hole in here, and then that would be the tag. So come join me with this process, and I hope you have fun watching. I'm going to play some music and let's do it together. Okay?